Srečen, da kar fejst, ker je debo. In ne samo, da je ta zrastel, drugače gleda, kako se je odprl, pa zrastel. Razlike v 4 dneh, zdaj pa sneg. Tole imam kamero, jurček je star 6 dni, upam, da mi jo kdo ne ukrade, tudi če mi jurčka vzame. What a nice Joey he's become. Jurček, he is still living. Today it was -2, but as you can see, he's in really nice shape, so let him be for another 5 days at least. I want to see him rot out of this life, if possible. 8th day of filming, 8. dan snemanja. Danes je bilo -4,5. Today it was -4.5. And he's still standing. Tomorrow the snow forecast is coming, but he could stand for another week. Day 9 of filming. He got little brother. That means that he's already 10 days old. It was heavy rainfall today till 3 p.m. That means 7-8 hours with snow. Amazing. 10. dan snemanja, 10th day of filming. That means that Joey is already 11 or 12 days old. It's really nice.